Hello. So today is 4th of January and I just came back from work. It's now 9 p.m. But I just wanna come here to rant a bit and just unbox this one. Dimoo. So I've bought this arrived a few days ago, maybe, or like last week. I don't remember, but I didn't want to unbox it yet because I don't have a place to keep it. So I've already ordered some storage boxes, the clear ones, and then I'm going to keep it there. But even that, I don't have space for the storage box. So maybe I'm going to be free on tomorrow on Sunday. Maybe I'll try and organize my stuffs. I really don't have space, guys, because I have like a lot of albums and books that are taking up spaces. I need to order more maybe boxes, or just like a storage box to keep my books. Or should I sell them? I don't know. I want to keep them, even the ones that I've already read, but I just don't have the energy to like sell them. Anyways, I'm excited to open this one. Okay, let's open the plastic first. For stuffs like this, mat or like blind boxes, I've been into them for already like a long time. I even bought some blind boxes from Japan's mat. I'm not sure where was it. It's definitely not the Shibuya one. Where did I went? I don't remember. And I don't even remember which ones I got from Japan, but most it's probably the Hirono one, the City of Mercy, I think. I got into blind boxes because it's not because of Hirono, but it's just like it intrigues me, like we open stuffs and it's cute and all that, and the anticipations and stuff like that. So yeah, I didn't even know City of Mercy, the Hirono one, the series is discontinued already. So like, damn it, I should have gotten more. I only got like two or three of them, I think. Yes. So how do I open this? Like, I'm not sure if you can see, but like, is it focusing? Like, look at the lineup. Like, they're honestly so cute. How can I resist this? It's my first time buying this like entire set, because like for this dimoo one, the stories in the cup, the designs are all very pretty, so I don't mind getting anything. I want everything. Also because like I'm extremely depressed. Things with this thing, it just very unexpected. But things did happen. Things happened that made me very depressed and distressed, extremely distressed. So I'm retail therapying very hard right now. Like, I'm literally out of money. Well, I want to open it, but I don't want to like ruin it. How am I going to open this? Also, I'm wearing like earphone in one ear because I want to listen to TS songs, but if I play them, it will get copyright. So okay, I opened it after so long. So it looks like this. There's 1 2 3 4 12 boxes. Is my mates meeting? Yes, there's 12. Oh. Okay, now okay, I'm just checking if there's like a secret one, but there's none. So I know what I'm going to get, but I'm still like looking forward to getting them. Like, how do people do this with? How do people do this? Anyways, I don't think I'll be keeping the box, and so I'll just okay, let's pick. Do I do it like this, or like, why am I even like, no one's answering me, I'm alone? Okay, let's take this one. Ta-da! It looks like this. Oh wait, there is a secret one. Oh, okay. So let's see if we'll get the secret one or just the 12 ones, which I don't mind. I like everyone. So the first one. Also, I like how everyone is like buying blind boxes right now, because now like previously when I was like into this, there's not many people who likes doing it. So like, I don't have anyone to talk to, but now I have friends who is also into these stuffs. So we talked about it often, which I really like, and it's very exciting. Okay, so first box. The classic dimoo. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the one that I want the most out of all of this. Like, this is literally the cutest one ever, and it's like porcelain. Is it porcelain? I don't know, but like, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, look at this. Can you see it? Oh my god. I call this the shower dimoo. I mean, obviously because of the color. I can't believe I picked this first. Oh my god. Truly a shower. Truly a shower. So this is the card. It says porcelain blossoms, and it's the prettiest thing ever. Another shot. I love this so much. Oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's calm down. We have a lot more to unpack. Okay, I'll pick another one. Usually when I unbox blind boxes, I already saw this. I try not to look at the cards. I wanted to open it, but since I already saw this one, it's the auspicious animal seal. It's the one with the stamp underneath it. It's so cute. Let's see how it looks. Wow, he's so pretty, guys. Oh my god. And the seal is down here. I don't have any ink. It's not like obviously there's no ink, but there's a stamp underneath. I don't know how it is. It like this? What does it say? Oh, it says dimoo. It says dimoo. Oh, he's so pretty. Look at him. Oh my god, this one is the one that's like in the ones on the boxes and all that. He is beauty. Aww. Okay, now third one. What are the odds that I'll get a secret? I don't think I'll get one. Okay, let's see. Oh! Wait, why am I getting surprised? I'm getting everything. But like, it's still so exciting. What the hell? Oh my god, I love blind boxes so much. It gives me like a lot of joy, honestly. I got the baby looking one. Look at him. Oh my god, it's really the cutest. Look at his cheeks. It's so red. Ah! Let's open this one. Oof. A beauty. A beauty in itself. Where's the card? It's it. A river scroll. Isn't he the cutest? This is like the babiest or over like wait, what am I saying? The babiest of all. Like, look at him. Like, so pretty. Let's go to the next one. I'm actually kind of like sleepy, and also like my head is hurting because I haven't eaten my medicines yet, because I'm so excited in opening them. Like, I don't know, this give me so much joy. Like, y'all don't understand. I think it's the same when it comes to oh, this one got ripped. Let's open it. Oh, this is so pretty. It's covered in snow. And then I think there's a cat and a fox or something, like the dimoo animal, I call it. It's so pretty. Ding. Focus on this. I think this is my least favorite, to be honest, but it's still cute. It is still very nice. It's called Snow and Winter Sweet. It's a cool name. As I was saying, it's kind of like K-pop albums. Like, you know how they have photo cards in them and you don't know who you'll get, which is very like the anticipation. Some people call this as like gambling, which I kinda understand, but I won't call it as far as that though, like gambling. Honestly, it is gambling, but I'm sorry, I'm guilty. Okay, there's something outside. This one is the... Oh, he is pretty in this one. Oh, I like the gold and the black and the red. Like, look at him. Oh my god. Ah, he's so pretty. Oh my god. Wait, what's his name? There's like a lot of boxes beside me already. Not a lot, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But like it's making a mess everywhere. So this one is called Sandalwood Incense Burner. So pretty. But like, oh, where's the thing? This thing is supposed to be on his head. This one. Does this work as an incense too? I don't think so, right? I mean, it would be cool if it works as an incense holder burner, but I don't think so. It's so cute. It's so cute. I don't know how I got into dimoo. Actually, I was like into Hirono and just like Emma, and it's not a pop mart brand, but like I like Emma, and then just Hirono and just like other like random cute ones that I saw. There's like no specific character that I like, but dimoo, like dimoo is getting me, okay? Like I don't understand why I'm not appealed to him before. Maybe because this time like there's more like like, what am I saying? Like, it's nighttime and I'm tired, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, because maybe there's like more. Someone said that he used to like just stand, and then nowadays he's like in different positions and all that, and then the colors are a lot more nicer and stuff like that. Maybe that's why. I did bought some, like maybe I have 1 or 2 demos that I bought previously, but I don't remember which series it was. Oh, this one is also so pretty. Oh my god, I love the gold details, guys. This is like kind of like in a... Oh my god, I just noticed, look at the animals behind. Can you guys see? Oh my god, is this like focusing enough? Is this focusing? I need you guys to look at it. Like, is it focusing? Like the animals, guys, the animals on his tail. Guys, this is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god. So cute. I can't. I'm going to cry. I won't. I'll maybe cry of excitement, but oh my god, it's so cute. What the hell? I like how like the names are very like fancy and stuff. This one is Rooftop Guardian Creatures. Dragons. Like, he's sleeping. Can you guys see his face? I don't know if it's like focusing or anything, so I hope it focuses. Focus. It's nighttime, guys. I haven't eaten my meds. I am. My head is like. It's like. Fun fact: Dimoo's character. Oh no, Dimoo's. The one who creates. Dimoo's creator. His creator is called Ayan, and my nickname to my close families, they call me Ayan too. So cute coincidence, I might say. Okay, so the next one. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw me peeling that, but oh, this one is so cute. I don't know what he's holding, but it's so cute. And then there's something. Ah! Okay, so it's not steady. Can you guys see, like, it's not steady, so I think it's going to like roll around. And then there's this. Let me see how to keep it. This one is called Sachet Lotus. It's not showing me how to. I think this one is the stand. Let me. Is it? I think so. And then I don't know where's this going to hang on to. Okay, maybe I'll search for a photo later, but like, he looks like this, very cute, very nice. And then he has this one. I'll figure it out later. Oh, I can already my head is really not doing good right now, guys. Okay, actually I don't think it's the stand. It's not standing. It fell. I'll figure it out later. Oh, what does this means? What does this means? I'm going to like double check everything before I throw any of this, because like there might be stuffs inside that I'm not aware of. Oh my god! It's the one in the bathtub. Or maybe a pond. Oh, look at his friend. Look at his friend. Oh my god, he's so nice, so cute. He's looking at him. Oh my god, this one is so cute. What's his name? He is the spring. Oh, spring. Spring brings springtime. Wow, that is hard, but like it's so cute. Aww, so cute. Okay, there's another 4. Let's unbox the last 4. Like, I'm not opening them nicely, guys. I'm just like, I'm ripping them out. But it's not like I'm going to like resell them or anything. I'm keeping them because they're so cute. So nice. Ooh, this one is like, oh, bamboo shoots. Is that it in English? Well, am I? Or you can open it like this. Oh, it has pants on. Yay, look at him. Look at the bamboo shoots. Wait, how is it already? It looks like a coat. Is this called a coat? Or like there's a bamboo. There's. Is this really called the bamboo shoots? The tiny one, the ones when in the. Well, yeah, anyways, it has something to do with bamboos. And then it. Not bad. Cute. Cute. Not as interesting, but very cute. This one is called Ink Bamboo Painting. The name is nice. I love the name. Okay. Oh. Okay, what's the next one? I don't know what the secret one looks, so it will be a big surprise. But honestly, looking at the characters that I'm getting, I don't think I'll get the secret one. Wow! Wait, this one is so nice. Wow! Wow! Oh my god! Like, I love the color. It's like dark teal or something. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So nice. This one is called Exhale Like an Orchid. Oh, ooh, that's fancy. Oh, I love this one. It's so pretty. I like how flowy it is. Like, can you guys see? Like, so cute. Okay, on to the next one. Oops, I think I saw it. Oh! Ah, this one is the cutest. Everything is the cutest, but like, look at this. Like, it's furry. Like, ooh, oh my god, I was looking forward to this one because like my friend got this and she's like, it's very furry and stuff. And it's so nice. I like the texture. Oh my god. Look at him. Ah. What is he holding? He's holding something, but I don't know. Is that a middle finger? No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, so cute. The name is Black and White Game. Ah, it's the Go game. So it's. Oh wait, I didn't see this. Like there's a Go. Go stop? Go? Like there's this thing here. Oh, he got sleepy while playing it. Oh, he looks so cute. Like look at his feet. Look at it. Look at his feet. There's no such thing as feet. It is so cute. Okay, on to the last one. Who did I not get yet? Oh, the Prosperous Jade. I haven't gotten the Jade one. I think this one is the Jade. I already my friend got this one, so I already know what it looks like and how it feels like. It is. Let me. Ooh. Look at this. It looks like real jade, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Wow, it's cute. It's so pretty and nice. I like how one of his eyes are open. Like this one is a bit heavy. Like, unfortunately, wait, let me read out the name. The name is Propitious Jades. Propitious Jades. So we are done. That's it for now. The cards are here. Okay, I'm going to keep them. Like previous blind boxes, I just threw out the box and the cards. Like, I don't know where to keep them. Maybe I should buy another binder, a photo card binder for all me these ones. I mean, I don't know why I'm keeping them, but like maybe I can do something with them in the future. Maybe like displaying them together. I don't know. Yes. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to put together the storage box, and then maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I'm too tired. I just want to sleep. But yeah, if you guys are watching until the end, thank you. If you guys are watching it all, thank you. It was a very uplifting moment for me. It's very nice. I have another 2 dimoo sets that I'm waiting. If it suddenly got delivered like in a few minutes, and then I'll probably like unbox them because I'm very I wanna unbox them. Anyways, that's all. Till then, bye bye.